Newsflash: Toronto condominium market settled into steadier phase, where buyers have more choice and smart decision depending on the layout, location, and long-term livability. If you have any question, give me a call at 647-461-6002 so we can show you what we can do to help out our clients to get what they need. Thanks so much.